Okay, so this is my second video on swapping out an American core. I told somebody that I would pick it first with the notch decoder. Hopefully we're getting this on the video. And that I would show the pins. So let's see if we can make that happen. Oop. Good clicks. All set. Finder binder. Right there, I believe. Just gotta raise it up. Nope. Good click. Nope. Let drop, false set again. Lift, good click, false set. Good click and open. All right. So let's open this thing up. Put a new cord. This is only my second time doing this. Hopefully I don't screw it up. First one went good. Did it on American 5100. Come on. There we go. Yeah, it should be. Take that guy out. Oh, hold up. Almost forgot. Let's show the pins on this thing. Let's see, how do I do this? There we go. See them in there? Take the key out carefully. So 5 pins in there. So that's what's going on there. Oh. Come on. Oh, what did I do? Oh. Screwed something up, huh? That ain't good. Maybe I shouldn't have tried to take the key out. I don't know what's going on there. I will deal with that later. Let's, now that my fingers are all nice and greasy. So here's the new core. Show the bitting. Hopefully you can get a good eye on that. Sorry. Anyway, all right. Core in. Hands are all greasy now. Touching that other core. Okay. Hopefully. This guy works. Okay. Awesome. So new core in this guy. Maybe should we try to pick it right away? Greasy fingers. Go McTickler, of course. Good clicks. Good clicks. Good clicks. Good click and open. New core picked that fast. Oh boy. Oh well. All right. Thanks for watching. I gotta try to deal with that other core.